Hello my friends, I'm so excited. I can finally talk about all of this goodness. Urban Decay has launched some new blurring goodness. We're gonna have a primer. I'm gonna put all of this on. I'm gonna walk you through it. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm gonna take you to the celebration for this, and then we'll do a makeup check-in. So there's gonna be a wear test at the end. And in fact, I'm getting ready way early. That way we can look at this and wear it for an adequate amount of time. So this is the new all-nighter ghosting paste, and this is going to be without silicones, but it's a blurring primer. Anytime I'm using a blurring primer, start with this much and focus it on the areas that you really feel that you're wanting the most blur. I remember a long time ago I used to just go and sometimes that wasn't always the best idea. So it's always better, just like with eyeshadow foundation, it's just better to build it. Let me zoom you in a little bit. All right, let's look at this up close. Remember, no silicones. It's also gonna help your makeup be sweat proof, fade proof, and transfer proof. I've been wearing this for over a month, secretly. Y'all know I gotta keep my makeup secret sometimes. And I have just been enjoying this so much. And I also feel like it leaves my skin exactly how I like it for makeup. Remember, I like for my skin to kind of grab my fingers, but I don't want to pull away and feel anything on them. So this is just absolutely perfect in terms of how I like the skin for long wear makeup, and then no separation, no chaos. We do not have time for that. Next up, we have our all-nighter ghosting powder. Now I wear shade Translucent Fair in this, and normally I'm not fair, but they are very, very translucent, my friends. So I don't want you to worry too much about the shade range. Let's just go ahead and put this on. I was actually using this in a couple of the tutorials. I have a few more that I'm secretly, I'll be able to tag it now that it's launched, but I have been loving this because I can use this brush and really kind of build it up where I need extra blur. Delightful. Or I can switch to a brush that's not going to deposit as much. And even if I pick up this much, it does not, I can even build a little bit more just so you can see. It does not change the color of my blush or my bronzer. And y'all know that is something that I talk about all the time. A lot of times powders can leave casts and change the color. This one does not. There's also up to 24-hour wear and all-day shine control, which is something I need, especially where I live in Houston, where the humidity is always making me extra shiny. Look how pretty and blurred that is. All right, my friends, this is the last step. This is the all-nighter ghosting spray. This is super cool. This is setting powder in a can, but when I go to apply it, I'm gonna have to cover my eyes. I'm already gonna walk you through it. You gotta give it a really good shake, and then we can't talk. And y'all know I love to talk and put makeup on, but we're not gonna talk. Give this a good shake. Gotta cover your eyes and spray away. 3:45. Okay, friends, here's our starting point. This is so smooth. But you see, it doesn't look flat. I'm telling y'all, it's delightful. All right, I will see y'all in the next check-in. It is now 9:40, my friends. All right, friends, I feel like this doesn't look too much different than when we first put it on. Look around my nose. I gotta do this. Don't be judging me. So I show you around there. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I know y'all are gonna screenshot that. Y'all be nice to me. And also, I did put this lip on. This is the Urban Decay lip stain, the lip liner, and then one of the lip toys. I put this on about an hour after, but this looks so nice. No touch-ups. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for partnering with me, and I'm excited for y'all to try this. I actually did snag a little travel size in this. I know that you're gonna love the entire collection as much as I do. All right, love you all. Bye for now.